I have some lovely beet greens, as you can see here. But the first thing we're going to do for this recipe is we're going to slice up this red onion. It's just half of a red onion. And here I'm just going to chop the beet greens. And it's perfectly fine if you want to leave a little bit of the stalk in for some added texture. And we're going to sweat the onions in the skillet. Right now I have the skillet set to high, and I'm going to add about a half a tablespoon of oil to the skillet. And let's add the onions. And now we can go ahead and start adding our lovely beet greens. Add a 1/4 cup of water, place the lid on, and allow the beet greens to cook on medium for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's give our beet greens a stir. At this point, you can cut the heat. What I love about cooking beet greens is they don't take long to cook. They're very flavorful, very healthy, and it's a perfect side for a busy weeknight. And you can always add some black pepper. You can also add garlic powder and red chili flakes if you like. Thank you all so much for joining us at Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.